If you wonder if Redmi Note 14S does have call recorder, let's quickly find out. Let's go for the phone application and we will go for these settings right here and take a look around at these settings if there's anything like the call recorder or something like this. But let me tell you honestly that I went through all of these settings and I wasn't able to find actually the call recorder right here, and that's about these Redmi phones or Xiaomi phones which does have the Google, which are powered by Google like applications, as you can see. And what I only saw once on the Redmi Note, or that was Redmi A5 I believe. On this phone I was able to see the call recorder since this phone has had a different phone application. So like this phone unfortunately doesn't have the call recorder, but if you have different phone application and not this provided by Google but a different phone application, then there's a chance that you might have the call recorder.